Welcome to the Grange, a masterpiece of architectural excellence designed by Christopher Doyle in 2019. From the moment you lay eyes on this majestic residence, the grace and grandeur makes an indelible impression, leaving you with a memory of unparalleled sophistication and luxury. Situated on a generous 1,300 square metre parcel of land in the prestigious suburb of Toorak, the Grange stands as a testament to timeless mansion traditions. Beautifully crafted by award-winning builders Davis Henderson, behind its facade of handcrafted Mount Gambier limestone lies a home that is unmatched, incomparable, and unquestionably in a class of its own. Step inside and you'll be greeted by unrivaled refinement in both formal and family living areas. The ground floor boasts a state-of-the-art kitchen featuring imported Calcutta marble surfaces, Gaggenau appliances, and a butler's pantry. The meticulously landscaped outdoor dimensions beckon with elegant terrace entertaining, a seductive wet-edge swimming pool, and an alfresco kitchen and pool house/bathroom, an oasis of relaxation and entertainment. With 9 beautiful bedrooms and 9 flawlessly finished private en-suites, the main suite, adorned with French silk wallpaper, epitomizes luxury. Descend to the lower ground level and discover spectacular additional assets. A gold-class 12-seat cinema experience, a gym, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and garaging for 6 cars, an embodiment of luxury living at its finest. The Grange isn't just a home, it's an icon of elegance and sophistication, a sanctuary where every detail has been meticulously crafted to exceed expectations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury and refinement at the Grange.